Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to use insert command to extract the data from a table and store it in another table. So for that what we will do, we will use a duplicate, we are going to make a duplicate table and then we are going to extract the data from a table which is already present in our database employees and then we are going to store in the duplicated one. Okay. So let's first see which table we can use. We are going to use a small one. Okay, so we don't have to do much. So we have this employees database, and these are the tables. So let's see the number of columns in this one. Yeah, so in this we have two columns. Let's use this one. Okay. So first, what I will do, I will show you how this department table is looking like. So that what we need to do, we need to duplicate this one. So we need exact same number of columns and the data type is also going to be same so that the data will be stored properly. Otherwise, it is going to show error. So let me show you how this is looking like. Let's start from departments. That is the name of the table. Okay. Let me execute. And we have these values in these two columns. So in the department number, as you can see, all the values are of 4 character, and in department name we have the name of the departments. So now let's see how this table is looking like structure wise. So for that we are going to go on departments table and click on the eye icon, because we have to be careful about the data type of these columns, and similar one we have to use. Okay. And then I will click on this TTL command, and here see we have these two columns, department number, which is of character data type and not null, and this column which is department name, which is of varchar, and this is also not null. So we will be making these two columns in our duplicated table, and these are the data types that we are going to use. If you are confused about the data type like character and the varchar, you can go back and check my data type video. Okay. So let's continue, and we are going to do what? First, we are going to create a table, a duplicated one. Okay, so for that, what we need to write? We need to write create table, the name of the table. So let's name this as department underscore D. Okay, because it's a duplicate one, then we are going to put the column names inside. So the first one is going to be department number. Okay, which is going to be of type char, and this we are going to fix the size. See, all of those values were of 4 characters, so in that case we can use char data type, right? And it is going to be not null. Then we have to make another column which is department name, then varchar, and this will be of size, let's see, we are going to take the same one, let's say 40, and this will be not null again. So yeah, I think we are done with this. Let's execute this. Yeah, so we have created the table. Let's see the structure of this. So I will write select star from department underscore D. Let's execute and see, we don't have any values right now. So what we will be doing, we are going to take the values from the department column, all the values, okay, and then store it in this duplicated table. Okay, so let's continue. For that, what we need to use? We need to use insert command, obviously, right? So let's write down insert into name of the table. Then let's write down, I think it's right. Yeah, it is right. Okay, so now we have to mention name of the columns, right? You can skip this also because we are using all the columns. So when we use all the columns, we do not have to mention this. Okay, so you can skip this part. I'm just writing it so that you can see properly. Okay, then now what we need to do? We need to mention like from what table we are going to extract the data. So I will write select, and again we are going to extract all the data from we can say the departments table. So we do not have to mention the names of the column. We are just going to put star because we are going to extract all the data from departments. Okay, and here we haven't used the values keyword in this insert command because we are extracting the complete data from a table. Okay, that is fine. So I think the names are correct. Let me match one time. Yes, it is looking fine. Now I will execute this. So let me do this. Okay, yeah, it is done, I think, because it worked. So let's quickly run this command to check how our table, which is duplicated one, is looking like. Yeah, so see, everything is copied, right? I have run this command and everything is copied, all the data. Okay, so this is how we do what we duplicate the data from one table in another, but the structure should be same. You have to be careful about that. And if you want to, like, let's say you want to order your table according to department name or department number, you can do that using order by clause. And let's order it using department number. Okay, so let's see how this will look like. Let's execute. And see, now it is ordered. So it's starting with D001 and the last one is D009. And if you want to now see, let's see, we have 9 different department number and department name. What if you want to add one more? So in that case, what you need to do, you can just use normal insert command and you can store, let's say insert into department underscore D. Then we have to mention values. See, I'm not selecting the columns because I'm going to insert the values in each and every column because the constant is not null. We cannot keep the columns empty. So I don't have any choice. Okay. So now in this, let's say the next one is going to be D010. The last one was D009. And let's say the department is going to be, let's see, data analyst. I'm not sure. I just have written this randomly. So let's execute this. And yeah, everything is looking fine. Let's execute. Yeah, it's executed. Let's run this again. And yeah, this one's added. So like this, you can use this insert command and everything. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk about. And that's all. If you get any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Why don't you guys subscribe? Subscribe.